Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple and easy air dry clay with the ingredients which are present at our home. So let's get started. To make this air dry clay, we will need 2 spoons of cornflour, 2 spoons of Maida, and 1 spoon would be left for later use. And then we have to mix the both ingredients together. Then we have to put half tablespoon of cooking oil. Then we have to mix it very well. Here we will add more half tablespoon of white glue. You can use any school glue. Mix well. Now add 3 to 4 spoons of water and form a smooth batter. And make sure that the batter must contain no lump. Now we will add 1 more spoon of maida to form a dough. After it forms a dough, mix well with hands. Now knead the dough very well so that it gets more stretchy and non-sticky. Now we will test the clay with 2 methods. The first method is the cloth method. We have to take a cloth and apply some pressure on the clay and stretch it on the cloth. Then remove the clay gently. If the clay comes out without sticking on the cloth, then the clay is perfect. And if the clay sticks on the cloth, you can add some more maida and make it perfect. Now the stretching method. If you stretch the clay and it forms a teardrop, then it is a perfect clay. Now we will take the air dry clay and roll it with the round pencil and cut the edges and make them plain. Now we will take a round thing and make some circles. And we will press the circle slightly and roll it like this. And we will put the circles one on other so that it forms a rose-like structure. At the end, it would look like this. It would take a day for the drying, and after that you can use it in any decorating material. And guys, you can make many things with this air dry clay like jewelries, sculptures, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon below. And at the end, thanks for watching.